Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hatred cannot drive out hatred. Only love can do that. Those were words spoken by Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. in his speech, Loving Your Enemies. And I'd invite you to come and listen, share, and heal together around Black History and Oneness. Only love can do that. A talk I'll be sharing at Unity of the Triangle. Excited to be there and return on Sunday, April 16th at 11 a.m. Eastern. We'll also have a workshop at 1 p.m. Eastern following the service where we go a little deeper and bring light and love to things that are ready to be revealed. Look forward to seeing you there. Peace.